Alright, Alex, back-to-back victory, 3 journey bout. But you have the format yet so far. What do you think about your personal performance so far this season?
I think I'm just, I didn't really do much pre-season, so as the season goes on, I'm just working my way, trying to help my team as best as possible. As you see, well, you were here for the first goal. I wasn't influential like scoring a goal, but the trap back that I helped my teammate, that really gave us the go-ahead goal. And I think going forward, I just need to work on myself so I can be as good as possible for my team.
In regards to fitness, what percentage are you right now?
I think I'm about 60, 70, yeah.
So normally, how long will it take you to reach 100? How long from now is it 100% mark now?
I think I haven't been 100% in a long while. I haven't been doing pre-season, since I went to Canada. So I think I'm just pushing myself as best as possible, taking the required supplements that can help me boost my immune system and stuff like that. Recover, take the rest that is needed, So I'm just working on myself, as I said, and trying to help the team as best as possible.
All right. So what's the target for this season where goals or assists are concerned?
Yeah, I'm aiming for last season. As if we scored 20 goals, I'm aiming for 20 goals. At least 10 assists or more. So I'm just working, as I said, working towards that. But if the games are, some games are hard, 'cause I know teams coming to mark me, So I'm going to create space for my teammates and as best as possible.
What's the difference between this league and the league in Canada, where physicality and pace is concerned? What's the difference?
I think the difference is just the pitch. I think the pitch really affects us in playing fast, and they are more focused on tracking back and closing down spaces as quick as possible. I think once we get that and the pitch is better, like this season we're playing on good surfaces. So I think going forward, as the league progresses, I think we'll get better and can compete.
All right, so on the victory today, what does this do for the motivation and the confidence in camp?
I think we're not playing the best football right now, but we're getting results, because last season we were playing good and we weren't winning games. So we're grateful for the 3 points and and building and moving up the table. So I think we just need to work on our transitional plays and stuff like that, and I think over time it will come.
All right, well done here.
Yeah, man.